could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
So this is what brought us to IKEA. We wanted to try out this meatball, so we got some meatballs and some mashed potatoes. Apparently the meatballs were plant-based. I don't know what that means because it's meat and it's plant-based. I don't get it.
Then baby, it will never grow.
You want a hot dog?
No,
Why not?
I like my Kenyan hot dogs.
We get some bread.
For you, babe, I don't.
You want soup? Garlic bread. Garlic bread. Eat the garlic bread, honey.
Okay. Let me park here.
We get one or two?
One. Then you come here to pay.
We fill ourselves, right? Yeah.
So that's what we've gotten. Now we are looking for. Let's go around.
Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Everybody be like, oh damn.
From all the way from Sweden. So guys, I'm trying the famous IKEA meatballs. So this is how it looks. You dip it, the sauce, then you eat it.
Well, how are they? How do they taste? They're not that good. Very rubbery.
They're okay, but they're not that exciting. But they don't disappoint. So,
Mustard is good.
so they're average. So this is wait.
This
jam?
cranberry sauce.
Oh, I thought it's. So you put it in the meat or what?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try to cut. Cranberry sauce.
You know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited?
The sauce is too sweet.
Change my mind like that. Please don't take
Yeah. I've never had something too sweet to go with meat. I'm used to lemon and mint.